Hi everyone and welcome to our webinar. This is Shraddha and I am a part of CodeCloud. You guessed it. Our topic for today is job search engines and how they are redefining recruiting. This webinar will help you learn how to navigate through job search engines that have changed the way recruiters perceive information. This is a comprehensive guide to aid recruiters in understanding job search engine functionality and how they can capture hidden talent through these sites. So what you see before you is a brief flow of the webinar. As we go on with our presentation, you can feel free to raise any query or any type of suggestions and inputs. You can also get in touch with us after the webinar and we will be happy to cover anything that hasn't been talked about already. We expect the webinar to go on for around 40 minutes, so let's get down to business. There is much debate about the efficiency of job boards in today's day and age. Are you receiving any quality results from creating an account and uploading your resume? Are your job posts being viewed with quality talent? Job search engines are here to save the day. Be it for recruiters or for job seekers, these sites provide great functionality and efficiency. So what exactly are job search engines? So let's understand the basics of what essentially a job search engine is. Not to be confused with job boards, job search engines crawl through different job boards, company sites, and job-related sites to aggregate innumerable job positions. Some of the biggest job search engines include Indeed, Career Builder, and Monster. How it works. Job search engines offer a consolidation of various job offerings in one particular site. These sites scan information across the web to find certain company pages or job boards that might have job openings. They are similar to an ordinary consumer-driven search engine. With a user-friendly, thoughtful, and straightforward interface, job postings can be readily made available to candidates, and recruiters can easily post their job vacancies. Through the rise of vertical search engines, candidates can also see the other sites from which these job postings are collected. This is a job seeker's well-rounded solution. So a systematic and organized job search is what a job search engine can offer. Various filters aid in sifting through millions of results to help job seekers find their desired job openings. Job search engines act as a good solution for quick communication between candidates and recruiters, as they do not have to wait too long to receive a reply from any potential employers. Also, candidates have access to a real-time list of job postings collected across various job boards, which are constantly being updated. So what's in it for the recruiter? So job search engines, they scan every inch of the web to locate job postings, and then they index it. So in recruiter speak, it means that your job opening will be available on these sites without even having to pay for it. And when recruiters do actually pay to post their job ads on these sites, it casts a wider net in the talent pool through increased visibility. Also, by posting their job ads, company brand awareness increases and creates more traffic to the company's page. So how have job search engines improved the way candidates find and apply for jobs? So gone are the days of manually shifting through hundreds of job posts and classifieds and jotting down every possible opportunity. Now job hunting has become more comprehensive and precise in nature, saving time not only for candidates but also for recruiters. And this is done through job search engines. So let's talk about the way job search engines have really improved for candidates. Cast a wide net. A job search engine helps candidates as well as recruiters to search out for endless possibilities at one time, being at one place. Geographical boundaries have become virtually non-existent in the aspect of job hunting, now thanks to job search engines. One candidate can sit at one place and connect with recruiters all over the world. Comprehensive search. Job search engines have made the recruitment world a smaller place. It has become a more comprehensive place where all the postings from various job boards are gathered in one place for the candidate to see. The candidate has the benefit of going through these job postings of various places at a time. Accessible anytime. One of the best features about job search engines is that they help both the recruiters and candidates save valuable time. These job postings are available anytime and anywhere. It does not have a fixed 10 to 6 time limit. there is no need for candidates to wait around for calls and appointments. It is cost effective. The onset of job search engines was thought of keeping in mind the cost effectiveness of the process. The recruitment process can not only be time consuming, but also it can burn a really huge hole in the pocket of the recruiters as well as the candidates. Immediate feedback. The internet has become a sort of an interface between the candidates and the recruiters, helping them to interact better, and the process of applying for a job and the feedback time has reduced monumentally. Endless filter options. One of the biggest advantages the job search engines provide is that they give innumerable options to filter out the best for the candidates or for the recruiter. The candidate can put in filters to find out the job that he truly desires or wants. The network has eliminated the process of going through endless job opportunities which are not desirable by the candidates. Easy tracking methods. Job search engines are a one-stop shop where you can track the progress of your application. Once a job seeker has connected for employment, he or she can track the status by using the features of the job portal. Correspondingly, recruiters can also keep tracks of candidates and can be updated about their present status without any hassle of manually calling them. So now we have the difference between a job board and a job search engine. A job search engine acts very much like a Google search engine that's scrolling through thousands of web pages to find an open job listing and displays it in the results by using an algorithm. So job boards, on the other hand, they don't actually search for jobs online. They only allow any recruiter to post jobs on behalf of their company. Besides the basic terminology, job boards and job search engines contrast in certain ways. These can be differentiated in 3 points. First up, we have job search optimization function. So job boards and job search engines differ in their search engine optimization function. Since every job search engine uses bots to search the web page for every job posted on job boards or any career site, they usually pull more information from these job portals in order to provide the most accurate results. Reversely, when a recruiter searches for a job on a job board, they have to often rely only on job titles and locations to populate the results for the search queries. Then we have pricing policies and models. So one of the major ways in which a job board and job search engine differ from each other is in their pricing structure. Normally, a job board basically sells respective job postings or job details, while job search engines offer a performance-based job advertising model. Intense market competition. If you are advertising jobs online, you will be directly competing with every other vendor in terms of the job posted. And when that vendor is using a job search engine, you can expect there to be great market competition. It's because a job search engine searches through the web and indexes all the jobs, while a job board relies on posting a job directly to that website to populate the results. So here we have some of the best job search engines in the market today. So currently, there are quite a few job search engines. So the best of them have all the job listings from all over the internet, which can act as a single virtual ground for all your job search requirements. All of these job search engines provide large volumes of job listings as quickly as possible. So these are the tools that offer some unique features and can streamline your 360-degree job search efforts. First up, we have Indeed. So Indeed is the most trafficked job search engine with a radically different approach to job search. Indeed includes most of the job listings from all major job boards, local newspapers, and company career pages. It keeps track of your applied and interested jobs. Daily and weekly alerts to your inbox with details like title, requirements, salary requirements, location, and skill sets are also provided. It also provides a mobile app and has many search plugins. Simply Hired. For local job postings, Simply Hired is your answer. Here, you can browse your searches by any town, zip, or postal code or state. Simply Hired also offers a very unique job search technique with the help of the user trains. It works on the principle of top job searches based on rating of jobs a person is interested in. This job search engine also gives the user the ability to view salaries, company profiles, and add in jobs to job maps. Career Builder. So Career Builder offers job searchers a basic set of features to browse and search job postings by skill set, location, and company. By creating a free account, gives you options for uploading a resume, accessing any company's salary calculator, and managing your own job history. It also provides facilities for alerts, job advice, and job fairs. Up next, we have LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the premier job search engine and social networking sites for professionals. It also has free tools for crowdsourcing and landing jobs. LinkedIn job postings are one of the highest quality, and if a job searcher is connected to someone who already knows about that particular job, it's to everyone's benefit. Craigslist. So Craigslist is a top search engine portal. It's a job search engine portal, and it's not built only for job hunting. Just find your city, search for relevant jobs, then look under your job category, and you're all set. That's it. Just pick your desired location and one of the numerous categories to begin your search on Craigslist. However, one must be warned of scammers. Glassdoor. Glassdoor, with its robust job search database, helps candidates with excellent tips about interviews and salary expectations. In addition, it also provides employee reviews on their company culture and salary information. This portal also collects user reviews, CEO approval ratings, and employee recommendations. Then you have LinkUp. So if you really want to avoid any spam and duplicate job listings, then use LinkUp. It's the only job search engine to exclusively aggregate listings from company career web pages. Most job search engines may include listings from other job sites which may not be up to date. LinkUp has a unique feature in which it acts like Google by indexing any company web page and delivers the most up-to-date and relevant job data. So let's discuss some job search engines that are best for the Indian market. So India, with its population of about 1.3 billion, has the largest employable demographic in the world. So job search engines have gained a lot of credence in the recent times, and they have been successful in getting people their dream jobs in a few clicks. So let's understand the job search engines that are perfect for the Indian youth. Indeed.com. So Indeed is available across 60 countries and 28 languages because of its and as a result, it's one of the largest websites. With over 80 million unique visitors and 1.5 billion job searches per month, it covers about 94% of the world's GDP. Indeed is free to join and has postings accumulated from a huge number of company sites and job boards over all fields. Then you have Monster. Created in 1999, it is one of the oldest job search engines. Monster India is a superb medium for landing reasonable job postings as per your capability and desire. The cutting-edge innovative technology at Monster India gives significant profiles to businesses and pertinent job profiles to job seekers. Monster also provides tons of write-ups and articles with advice for getting the most out of your job search, resume, interviews, and your career as a whole. The privacy feature that blocks specific companies from seeing your resume is a real lifesaver too. Then you have Naukri.com. Based in India, Naukri.com is one of the biggest online job portals which has the greatest network of customers and organizations in every single conceivable field. The site has additionally stretched out its administration even to marriage and real estate. The site has a nifty component of the job messenger for sending openings for work to the enrolled clients. Timesjob.com. A wide cluster of job listings can be found at TimesJob, which incorporates employment from IT, retail, BPO, government, and advertising. Moreover, you can find job listings situated in Gulf countries. With over 20,000 new resumes being uploaded to the site each day, they are keeping up one of the biggest databases of dynamic job searchers in India. Career Builder. Career Builder is one of India's quickest developing online job sites. It has more than 23 million one-of-a-kind guests a month. It achieves top job searchers across India, including Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Calcutta, and Hyderabad. It follows the motto, employee-driven, customer-focused. LinkedIn. So as a LinkedIn user, you'll join around 225 million different experts who are sharing associations, thoughts, and openings. So your profile is basically your list of references, posting all your work, understanding, and aptitudes, and associating you with contacts. A few organizations will give you a chance to apply with just your LinkedIn profile. And Glassdoor. So Glassdoor is a free job and career group that offers the world an inside take on the job and also on the organization. The site offers employee-generated content, anonymous pay rates, organization surveys and inquiries, all posted by workers, job searchers, and once in a while, the organizations themselves. Presently, with almost 3 million pay rates and audits, you have all the data you need to settle on your next career choice. We do have an extensive webinar just on LinkedIn that you can check out. So how to get your job feed on job search engines. The idea of any job posting is to attract relevant talent that is skilled and efficient. Therefore, if no one sees it, it's going to become redundant. Job search engines are very popular among candidates, and so recruiters should ensure that their job listings are made visible to them. So here are a few tips that you can follow. First up, career page. Search engines like Indeed do allow free posting of job listings. Through the organic search, some job search engines automatically take the job posted on your career page. So it goes without saying that if your company has a good, well-rounded career page, this method works like a charm. Provide an XML feed. An XML feed provides the best way to ensure your job listing on job search engine sites. An XML feed allows you to control the information that will be picked up by the job aggregator. It prevents any errors and can provide all the details. Keyword-driven job description and title. Now, a good job title and description that is packed with keywords is a surefire solution to getting your job listed on any good search engine. The title must be as specific as possible, and the introduction should be crisp, succinct, and concise. Individual URLs for each job posting. For job search engines such as Indeed, every job listing must have its own unique URL. It will not link the job post to a site that has multiple job postings. Once a job is listed on the search engine, the clickable URL will lead to one specific page. Keep it relevant. So for candidates to apply for your job post, it's really important that listings remain on the job search engine's result page. Usually a free job posting will lose visibility after some time as it becomes older. So now let's talk about the paid features in job search engines. So top recruiters clearly know that posting on the right job search engine is an important component of any recruiting strategy. So now let's talk about these top search engines' pricing policies and key features. First up is Indeed. The industries and job types it caters to are all, and price is around $10 minimum for pay-per-click. The website URL is www.indeed.com. And the services provided are free posting, pay-per-click, and pay-per-job post. So this website was started as a multi-purpose job search engine that will crawl into different web pages and index every job posted ever. And right now it has around 180 million viewers. Up next you have Craigslist. The industries and job types are all kinds, and price is around $15 minimum. The website URL is www.craigslist.com, and services are paid posting and pay per job post. This portable job search engine that allows recruiters or employers to post their job details, which in return gets lots of applicants. Craigslist has a unique feature in which all the posted jobs in this website will focus on blue-collar personnel, entry-level roles, and some white-collar roles. Up next, you have Monster. So again, industries and job types that caters to all. Price is between $135 to $425, and URL is www.monster.com. The services provided are paid posting and pay per job post. Monster is really famous and considerably ranked among the top 3 job search engines alongside Indeed and Career Builder. With Monster, the pricing policy is very simple, just based on the budget. The more you buy, the cheaper each post is. Then you have eBay Classifieds, again catering to all kinds of job types. Price is absolutely free, www.ebayclassifieds.com, and services are free posting. So eBay Classifieds is for general job search engines and it's for free. It provides easy job posting and searching that will bring in a wide variety of candidates and gives any recruiter free access to them. Then you have Media Bistro. So Media Bistro caters only to media and the price is around $297. Services provided are paid posting, pay per job post. So Media Bistro can be a really outstanding place to post a job if you're really interested in trying to capture passive candidates that work in the media industry. The pricing policy is per job post with discounts for bulk purchases. So guys, now let's briefly talk about Indeed. We would quickly like to add that the following content is not sponsored and it is completely research backed. Started way back in November of 2004 by Ronnie Kahan and Paul Foster, Indeed is an American-based search engine that is available worldwide. So what's all the fuss about Indeed? Why is it the best in the market? Indeed's aggregation algorithm is unparalleled, meaning there's a better chance that jobs posted on other random job boards, sites, and companies across the web will show up here. The mobile product comes in handy when searching on the go. Not all job search engines let you post a resume, but Indeed enables this so you can be found by recruiters online. Tons of fresh, relevant but bare bones listings make this the Google of job search engines. Indeed has the best overlap and takes the cake for frequency of posts. Its straightforward design doesn't waste time on a multimedia interface. Up next, we have a case study to show you why Indeed is really one of the best. So Live Action is a performance-based management company based in California. They were suffering from a severe case of talent shortage in the field of engineering. Using Indeed Prime, Live Action was given access to change-ready, highly qualified tech professionals. Live Action was able to focus its search with several motivators like salary, location, etc. and filters. So Indeed Prime created a two-way communication between the candidates and the director of HR. So through this, there was about 90% response rate and Live Action's dearth of talent was rectified. So let's talk about the pricing model. Indeed's pricing policy provides recruiters a flexible recruiting option for almost every business type. Indeed has a pricing model of both freemium and subscription types. Also, a recruiter can always opt for free trial feature available on Indeed. There are three ways in which a recruiter can apply for these features. First one is post jobs for free. A recruiter can post their jobs on Indeed for free with just a few easy steps. The job post thus will appear in general search results for any specific search result. Sponsored jobs for as little as $5 a day. Sponsored job postings on Indeed will always appear above the free job listings in any specific search result. A recruiter or employer can pay only when a person clicks on these sponsored jobs. You can also set your budget, change your budget, or cancel it anytime. Indeed also tracks your expenditure and candidate search to make sure you get results. Design a hiring campaign. The Indeed team will help any recruiter in designing a hiring campaign by talking all about your recruiting goals. They will recommend you the right budget for all your hiring needs. So how do you make the most of your Indeed job postings? First one, consider the job title. Be as specific with your job title as possible. A well-written job title can increase your traffic by up to 1000%. Ask yourself, how would I sell it verbally? Recruiters are at their best when they get to sell personally. So selling is a personable manner is key. Write your job description as you would sell in person to a candidate. Write it down in layman's language and be passionate. Be explicit about why your ideal candidate should move from their current role to yours. Don't change the type of language you would use in person. Use headings. Headings are a great way to structure your job ad and provide an easily readable format for job seekers. Never underestimate the power of headings. Bold your keywords. Highlighting the most important keywords and points in your job spec will improve your applications. Write the boring stuff too. Sell your candidates the opportunity first and then reinforce it with the key details later. Take advantage of Indeed's built-in ATS. If you post a job on Indeed, you are automatically granted access to Indeed's built-in applicant tracking system. It allows you to easily manage your job postings on Indeed by providing a dashboard that allows you to see all applicants at a glance, view and forward their resumes, email them, and even schedule interviews with them, all in one place. Test, test, and test again. After creating a compelling job description and title, keep going. Test variations of job titles and descriptions to determine which one draws the most qualified applicants. So guys, we have discussed a lot of things today, and to make it easier for you, we've come up with a quick summary to get you thinking and to kickstart a very successful recruitment process from your end. So here goes. Keywords are the key to making your job post searchable. Don't limit yourself to just one job website, because more the merrier, right? Look out for job search engines with expanded local listings that they get by partnering with many newspapers to incorporate their online classifieds. Candidates spend a total of only 10% of their time online, so don't miss out on networking and have more number of touchpoints. We have this small request for everyone attending the webinar. This should not take too much of your time. Do take a few minutes out to give us your valuable feedback. We will be getting in touch with you shortly. Also, definitely register with us for another session. We hope you found this webinar useful. Thank you for participating, and please feel free to contact CodeGround for doubts or any recruitment needs. Have a great day and happy recruiting. Thank you.